In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Basecamp. Basecamp is a popular project management and collaboration tool, and getting started only takes a couple of minutes. We'll walk through the sign-up flow together so you know exactly what to expect and how to make the right choices along the way. First, open your browser and go to basecamp.com. On the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button and click it. This takes you to the pricing area where Basecamp outlines its plans. Don't worry, you can start without paying. Click Sign Up Free again on the plan you want to try. This moves you into the account creation form. If the site layout looks slightly different, that's normal. Basecamp occasionally updates its pages, but the flow is the same. You're heading into the free sign-up. Now fill out the basic details. Type your name as you'd like teammates to see it in Basecamp. Enter your email address. Use a work email if you're planning to collaborate with colleagues, since this is where invitations and notifications will go. Add your organization name. This helps label your account so projects are easy to identify. Before continuing, check the box to agree to the terms and policies. It's a good idea to skim them, especially if you're setting up Basecamp for a team or company. Next, click the button that says Last Step, Set a Password. On the password screen, create a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. Aim for a long passphrase or a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can make this easier and safer. When you're happy with it, click Create My Account. Basecamp will set up your workspace and take you straight into your new account. You'll see an onboarding screen that introduces the basics. Click OK. Let's see My Account to jump in. From here, you can create projects either from scratch or using templates. Starting from scratch is great if you want full control over structure, while templates can save time by giving you a ready-made setup for common workflows. Explore the tools inside a project, like to-dos, messages, and schedules, so you can tailor them to your team's needs. If you're inviting others later, make sure your project names and organization name are clear and consistent. It helps everyone find what they need quickly. That's it, you've set up your Basecamp account and you're ready to start organizing work. Follow along with the on-screen prompts and you'll be productive in no time.